Okay, so here's the Toyota Camry with the 2015 Camry with the rear rattle problem. This is what it was on this car. There is these little rivets right here and here. I don't know if you can see, but I ran a screw up inside that plastic rivet, which spreads it out more. And
rattles over 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, over 60 miles an hour it causes a rattle because they get loose. If they've been taken off and put back on, like I think this car's been repainted, then they just don't, unless they use new ones, they're gonna rattle. And that's probably what is going on with everybody else that's having the rattle problem. We also did notice a rattle coming from a little clip underneath the trunk here, but I don't know if that's as relevant as the one inside the wheel well. So good luck.